Hello guys, welcome back to Len App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer money from Wise to Maya. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're looking for a way for you to transfer from your Wise account into Maya, this one's very simple. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Wise account and click on the send button that you see here. Now from here, we need to specify a few things. So how much you want to send. So for example, maybe I want to send around like 500 Philippine peso. Now, in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and specify a few things, like, for example, what you're paying with, and in this case, also schedule it if you want to, and also view the fees here. But in this case, just click on Add Recipient. And from here, you can go ahead and click on Enter Bank Details. Now, you can go ahead and choose myself, someone else, business, or charity. So, for example, I'm going to send to myself. Now, from here, you can go ahead and specify a few things. Like, for example, you can go ahead and add your bank. Now, the thing with this one is if you haven't entered the details for your recipient here of before, like if you before you choose them, in this case, you will not have the option to basically send it to them. So, what I would recommend you try doing here is you want to go ahead and go back, and you want to go ahead and click on recipients first, and just click on the add recipient option. Click on whichever currency. So, for example, Philippine peso. Let's go ahead and click on enter bank details. Now just going to choose myself. Now from here, as you can see, we have local bank account. Now instead of choosing this, just click on e-wallet. Provide the account holder name and also provider here. So in this case, since we are setting to Maya, you want to go and choose Pay Maya here. Now you can go and just enter the recipient's e-wallet number. So usually that's their mobile number. So you go ahead and enter that in here. And also go ahead and provide the name that is registered on that account. Go ahead and click on confirm to save those details. And once you've done that, you just need to go ahead and go back to your home screen, click on send here, and you can go ahead and basically choose your recipient once you've added them in here. You could just click on add recipient here and choose the recipient that you've added before. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len App. Thank you for watching.